Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can tell in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Halloween tutorial on this Joker inspired makeup look. So I'm starting off with my foundation, concealer, and powder done. So you want to have your base done, and then I'm going to take my eyebrow pencil actually and use it to kind of create this shape on my face because it's going to look like a mask has been put and stretched onto my face. So then I'm taking this Wet n Wild paint pot in the white shade, and I'm just going to apply this all over within the lines, and then I'm using a smaller brush to get close to the outline. So yeah, as I said, this is going to create like a mask effect, as if someone put something on your skin and then stretched it out. It's going to make more sense while we keep going. But then I'm going to set this down with my NYC translucent powder, make sure it's all set for when I do the other makeup. And then I'm going to take this black shade from my Morphe 35B palette with a small brush and start shading around the edges, again to make it look like a shadow underneath the white mask. And you want to kind of eyeball this, kind of see where shadows need to be placed to make it look as realistic as possible. So I did it around the edges and kind of created a gray shadow and contour underneath the edges of the shape. And then I took the eyebrow pencil and started creating little dots at each corner. Again, this is kind of like the screw that would be on the skin to hold the mask in. And then I'm going over with the Wet n Wild paint pot in the shade Black to really intensify that black color and make them as circular as I can. And then I'm kind of taking a smaller brush and wisping out that black shade to create that stretching effect with the lines and kind of create a wrinkle in the white canvas. And then I actually took a white eyeliner and created the line in the center for the white screw. Then I took a Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in a blue shade and placed that on my lid to create a half cut crease. And then I'm using my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette with some blue shades to start placing these in my crease and fluffing them out, because I really want the eye look to be a blown out, smoky, bright blue shade. So I'm just blending these out, and then I'm actually taking a Maybelline bold lipstick in this indigo shade and using this on the outer corner to deepen up the eye look. I'm also going to place blue in the inner corner and drag it right below my eye. Again, I want this really blown out and smoky. Now I'm taking that same Wet n Wild liquid liner and I'm going to start creating like runs down my eye as if the makeup was dripping, and I'm also going to add a little bit of a triangle on top of my eye to complete that Joker look. I actually erased using a makeup wipe the top part of my mask and lifted it higher to make more room. So then I took a darker blue liquid lipstick and added to the triangle again to create that dripping effect. And now I'm just using a red lip liner as well as a red liquid lipstick to create the eyebrows. So that's why I lifted the mask up, because I actually ran out of space. So I just took a makeup wipe and redid the outline and the white filling as well as the screws. And now I'm just drawing the eyebrows. You want to make sure that they're as symmetrical as possible. And then I'm kind of wisping them out and making them a little more messy using the liquid lipstick again to add that dripping and kind of messy effect to the makeup, because I feel like in the movie, at least this new one, Joker's makeup wasn't like super precise. It was kind of messy and all over the place. So I still wanted to do that in my makeup look, just with an actual technique. And then I took that same red liquid lipstick and created a circle on my nose, of course, to create like that clown nose. I tried to make it as circular as possible. And then I'm going to take this NYX white liquid liner and I'm going to use this to add that cartoon look and make it look a little more realistic by adding shading around the nose. And I'm also adding this to the eyebrows and underneath my eyes. It kind of gives a more realistic, cartoony look to the makeup. Then for the lips, I'm going to use that same red lip liner that I used for the eyebrows, this one from Rimmel, and I'm going to use it to line my lips. Now I'm really going to overline my lips because I want them to look really, really big for the mouth, and I'm also going to take the liner and spread it out to create the Joker mouth. Now I'm just grabbing some Ben Nye liquid latex with a sponge, and I'm applying this right on top of that red lip liner, then taking some tissue paper and putting it right on top. This is going to create that fake skin effect and we're going to be able to do Joker's mouth this way. And then I'm just ripping the excess paper for where I don't need it. So I apply it all on and then I rip it so that it's in the shape that I want it, the shape of the latex. And you're just going to keep layering latex and tissue until you get the desired look you want. So I'm applying more latex on top of the tissue here. Now I'm going to take this Milani liquid lipstick in the shade Devotion. I'm going to create my lips, again, really overlining them, and I'm actually going to be taking this on the rest of the lips as well, but I'm going to wait till after it dries. So I'm just going to apply some mascara real quick and then also some false lashes to complete the eyes. Now this cut off, but basically I took this liquid lipstick and applied it all over the mouth area and then a gloss as well. This is going to create a fake blood effect. I actually ran out of fake blood, but if you use a dark liquid lipstick and a gloss, it works just fine and you can get that fake blood mouth effect too. So now I'm just going in, adding some more details. I'm going to kind of make the lipstick a little more messy on the mouth again so it looks like splattered blood, and that's really this completed Joker look, guys. So again, the rest of the face is kind of cartoony and stuff, but I really want to make the mouth, you know, with the fake blood and latex to create a skin-like effect. And then I feel like the mask is a really cool effect. It adds some shading and it looks like someone just put it on top of your face, which I think is a cool take to this Joker look. So hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you're going to recreate this look or create any makeup Halloween look for this year, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'd love to see your guys' recreations. My Instagram handle is Lavinia Rasonda. I'll also have it in my description box down below. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.